and collected some stuff for our compost, and then we brought it inside and took it out and put it into this bin, which has all our compost stuff in it. And then we was talking about how it helps reduce air pollution, it supplies for our garden, it benefits all of us, and it helps our environment.
This represents the battery. That's the light bulb. This represents that the pressure, the pressure holder that would the resistor that would resist some of the light, so that the light bulb wouldn't have too much light on it, and then it wouldn't explode. So then the battery is to give it energy. The resistor is to hold it back. It'll move, but it will still resist some of it. So this is our circuit that we did to explain how we came up with ideas to how to authorize the terrain safety. We had issues with the bracelet because if it wasn't going to be big, because we thought of an idea of a bracelet, but then we turned out that not everybody was going to buy the bracelet because it wasn't going to be a big market. So then we came up with a sensor with a camera. The camera is for the conductor to look if there's a person, and the sensor is for it to sense the person or anything that's on the track, to sense it, and then it would have some wireless connection to the train. So then the conductor would look if there's someone, and then it will stop before it goes past.
Drove, it went under the water.
Okay.
And some metal trash will come in, be attached to it because of the magnet. But the problem is like some metal trash are not magnetic.
Right.
And some cannot be collected. That's why we have this one.
And where were y'all taking the boat? Like, what place did you take us?
Oh, to Patterson Park. We took it to Patterson. When we just started, when we began collecting trash, we all made our different model.
Right here, we took a bar graph on school water versus Deer Park water versus filtered school water. So right here, school water was a combo of 7 and 8.5. 7 and yeah, 8.5. Deer Park water was 7, and filtered school water was over the line of before I just began, I wanted to tell you what pH was. pH is acid levels. If it's lower than 7, it's acid. If it's higher than 7, it's a basic. But if it's 7, it's a neutral.
We came up with an idea that rats are bad for our community, so we came up with an idea that we looked up information about rats, and we humans can only hear from 20 to 20,000 hertz, and animals can hear from 50 to 45 hertz. And
What else can you tell me about the project?
that we also, our teacher found this, and it's an oscilloscope, and it measures frequency, and so like we can hear that, and animals can hear that. And so we had a remote controller that we press this and it turns on. So like you can hook it up to your trash can in the bottom. And so like if you're gonna take out the trash from where you are, you can just like press a button and it'll turn on. And then so it will start working.
So we made a brainstorm, and we saw that rats are a problem for people. So we researched, and we saw that clean houses plus metal trash cans and peppermint oil, and plus if you have cats, it will equal no rats on your homes. And people that are scared of rats and are scared to come out and take the trash, we decided to make ultrasonic sounds, and ultrasound that is higher 20 and 20,000 hertz higher, it will hurt their ears, so they will be scared and they will go away. My favorite part of the project was when we were making the ultrasonic sounds, because I learned so much of ultrasonic sounds and stuff.